I just ended up playing Jurassic Park, put a 20 in, I have a big, first time ever playing it, $60 win, oh my goodness, never have I played this game before, $1.50 bet, so 40x, I'll take that on my 20, $1.50 bet, I've never played this game before, let's play a couple more. One more. Oh, maybe we're gonna get it again. Do it. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna travel. Maybe my 20 is 76. Thanks for watching. Jurassic Park. Thank you, The Lost World. You know, I came over to Sahara Gold and I 3 spins later got the balls. Nice balls to start. Let's go. Come on. Give me that major. Oh wow. And the major is 584. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. Haven't got one in a long time. Come on. Pop it. Give me that last row. Come on. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. 2 more for the grand, which is 13,000. Oh, 1 more for the grand, which is 12,793. Let's see if we can get it. Don't see it. Still, that's a nice spin. Still on my 20. Let's get it to count up now. Nice win. Take a 77X, 150 on my 20, let's try a couple more, 2 more, 1 more, and I'm gonna travel. Thanks for watching. Now I come over to another Sahara, and this one's 615 on my 3rd spin. The Lady Dice Lots is on fire. Now let's see if we can get that 615. Give me the balls. There's no sound on this one. Come on, balls. Alright, let's go. Once again, Sahara Gold. Come on. Okay, let's keep it going. Thank you. Mini, minor, major. Come on, let it up. Oh, come on, save it. Oh, there we go. Come on, progressives. Thank you. Sorry there's no sound on it. Don't let 7 be my jinx. Come on. Save it. Need to save it now. Yes. There we go. Alright. Keep it going. Come on, progressive. Come on, save it. Oh, that's okay. My 20. Still on my 20. Okay, $18. 166, 1 backup swing. And I'm gonna travel. Thanks for watching. Okay, I came over to Moon Race and now I hit it on Moon Race. And this major is 531. Lady Di is due for a major. Come on. Come on. I'm on fire right now. Let's go. Save it. Yes. And I saw the minor in the 3rd row, so give it to me. Come on, pop it. Save it. Okay. Okay, $15. Let's try 4 more. Thank you. 2 more. 1 more. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, we'll try 1 more. 1 more. Okay, my 20 is now 185. Thanks for watching, lady downstairs. Give me a thumbs up on my $20. So let's go. Come on, I'm starting off with 7. Still on my 20. Let's go. Come on. That major is $812. Let's go. Come on. Keep it going. Come on. Pop it. Yes, thank you. Come on, save it. Okay, come on, let's do it. Yes, thank you. Let's go. Ooh, I saw a $100 ball in the 3rd row. Pop it. All right. Come on. Progressive, save it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be leaving the building. Alright. Okay, let's try 3 more. Come on. Oh, 2 more. Last one. Yeah, we could do 1 more. Oh, okay, my 20 is now 210. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up on liking.